Hey friends, it's Gabby. I'm back here in front of you, and today I will be unboxing the BTS album. I ordered it from Amazon a few days ago. The album is the Persona album, so yeah. Also, I hope you guys don't mind, but I'm kind of sick right now. I don't know if my voice shows that. But right now I have a cold and I'm really sick. And this is it, guys. Wow. This is so pretty. I got version 3. And I don't remember which one that is, so I'm just gonna be as surprised as you are. I forgot to mention we have a guest, Leo. Say hi to your viewers. Oh. So anyway, back to the show. This is what the album looks like. Really pretty. I love it. Then I got version 3, which is right here. Aw, mine is a little dented, but it's fine. I don't have scissors with me. Finally. After many tries, I finally opened it. It took me so long. And this is it. Honestly, I really like this packaging. Last time I got the Tear album and the packaging was really weird, but it was my first one, so I was like really happy about it. And now let's see what we have. Oh my god! Look at this. That's so pretty. All of them. And it's like in a film kind of design. Is this the photo card? No! This is the photo card. Oh my god, it's Jimin! I don't even know if this is a photo card or not. I didn't look at the package, I just ordered it. So on the first page, it has this. It has the CD. It had the poster with it. Aww, this is so pretty. I really like it. It's so cute. I think this was one of my favorite ones, actually. I won't be putting this on my wall as of now because I'm about to move and I don't want to waste it, so I'll just stick it on my next room, which you guys will see eventually in a couple months maybe. So yeah. Anyway, back to the photo card. I think this is the photo card, I'm not sure. It has a note in the back. I can read it, but I don't know what it means. So to those people who can read Korean, please help. I think this is my favorite one because it's so cute and I've never seen something so adorable. Oh my god. It's so well made. And yeah, basically in the back here, it has a track list. There were just 7 songs. I've listened to all of them, by the way, earlier today. And my favorite one is Home and Jamais Vu. I have listened to everything and I love all of them. Oh yeah, they gave the thing again, which is basically it gives you points whenever you go to a BTS event or like get BTS stuff from their merch, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna scan this later today so that I could get points on my account. It also came with this thingy. Don't know what it is, but I think it's for the big hit auditions. So this is the notes. Actually, I found the photo card. It's right here. I got Jimin. And in the back it says map of the soul. Jimin looks like a doll in here. Now I have Yoongi and Jimin. And actually, I also have a Hobie one, but he's upstairs. So yeah, but yeah, he's so cute. And first picture, look, it's a group photo. OT7. Aww. The first set is Hobie, Yoongi, and Taeyong. It's really cute because they're in like a closet. Oh, look at Hobie. So cute. Why is Taeyong so pretty? Look at Yoongi, you look so small. The next one is a Namkook picture. Basically, it's Namjoon and Jungkook. Yeah. This one. This is Jungkook. Looks really pretty. Namjoon looks so pretty too. Aw, they're so cute. And the last one is Jin and Jimin. They have like shared photos and also solo photos. Oh, that's Jin. He's wearing such a nice pajama set. This is Jimin looking ethereal as usual. Oh, so pretty. And then we have the poster photo that they have. And then they have the track list on here. There you go. Basically has all the 7 tracks. If you guys don't know, the album also comes with little song lyrics and stuff. So yeah. And then they also have the special thanks letter. Namjoon wrote a lot. Aww. Taeyang added a purple heart on his. That's so cute. In Jungkook's, it's literally this 2 pages. And lastly, the last page is this. They did really good on the album. I really want to give the kudos to the people who made the album because it's so good. The songs are great, and as usual, the album is high quality. You get a lot of stuff actually. This is like $20 or something. So yeah. Also, cover page is really pretty. I hope this time, I hope in the next Grammys they get nominated again for the packaging, because look at this, it's so pretty. That is pretty much it for today's video. That's the entire album. You get a lot for the money that you spend on here. And also, this is for the people who are not able to buy the album. I want you guys to see what's inside of there and at least experience it somehow digitally on what it looks like and stuff and what you get. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stream Persona and Map of the Soul, the entire album, and support your faves. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Leo and I want to say bye. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope you all keep growing. Bye. Leo. Bye. Stream Map of the Soul.
거칠은 폭풍 우린 햇살 비치듯이